This is the 5/13/2024 market daily buys. 4 hour looks like it's bearish. 1 hour is also well bearish. So we go to two back to 4 hour. What do we have in a 4 hour? We got this candle, but it hasn't closed yet, so we can't really count as a fair value gap. But we got this as a fair value gap right over here. Yo, you chilling? That small one, really small one, but we got a huge order block. I'm saying right here, as well as a breaker block, as you can see. Wait, what was the close of this? The low of it was 60. Okay, so this breaker block already got touched, so we can't count that as a breaker block anymore. So now if you go to hourly, in the hourly time frame, we have a lot of fair value gaps all around. We can't call this one because it got touched through it. So there's basically like nothing except this fair value gap right here we have, but I won't count that just because that happened and because we're in a 4 hour fair value gap right now. Go to the 4 hour, as you can see. We could mark this out as well, because just to make sure. We have these as well right over here. We could possibly today aim for all the way down here to the higher time frame. Go to daily. We could possibly aim for this whole huge move down prior to the move up, and we can aim for this. I mean, you could call this a breaker block, but I'll probably say that. So if you go to 4 hour, yeah, that's a breaker block. So we could possibly say we could possibly go with both, but the end of this candle is where I'm looking forward to going in. So we could possibly retrace up back here, or we could take some trades to the upside. It really depends. So wait. The 4 hour got filled all the way. Boom, boom. Oh, the 4 hour got filled all the way. Yep. We got another fair value gap right over here. Boom. Right. So now we go to 30 minute. We're gonna do the recent session because I think this is gonna be a profit for this one. The recent session ones. So the recent session high was right over here. So you could possibly trace all the way to up here prior to a down move. You get the come on, come on, chat. Give me that shit. Hold up. I gotta see if I did it right. Alright, it is right. So there we could retrace there. The low of that London session was where? Asian session, the low is right over here. At the end of the fair value gap. Boom. London start right here. The London lows are right over here. If this ends in a bullish candle, this is gonna be the lows, the new lows right over here. So let's see if we can end it in bullish because this surpassed this one, making this as the London, we call it the London lows. The London highs are still not created, but it looks like it's gonna be this one right over here. But that's what we got. So the down, let's go to DXY. 4 hour looks, ooh. I mean, the candle has still closed, but it might go bearish. 4 hour looks like still bullish because this candle hasn't closed yet. 1 hour looks bearish. Okay, so you could possibly go take liquidity from the sell side right over here. So that's our liquidity. Go back to 4-hour, take that sweep, possibly take these sweep, because that's what it looks like you're gonna do probably. We are in a huge order block, so you might not even surpass this. So then we're gonna aim for is this. Oops. This right here. And this right over here. No buy side liquidity, I mean. We could possibly aim for this whole accumulation area right over here at the start of the wick. And the fair value gap is right over here. So what am I looking for today? For gold, I'm basically looking like this, right? So if this candle ends bullish, right? I'm basically looking for, if you go 30-minute, I'm basically looking for gold to come back down, test the spot, like give some confluences for like 5 minute breakup structure, 5 minute confluence, and then a 5 minute reaction, and a 1 minute confluences they get in to the upside, all the way to the 4 hour fair value gap right over here as the final take profit, because I cannot go over here because it's too risky, right? And this way I can go for the upside. From the upside, from right here, accumulate, go get a 5 minute breakup structure, a 1 minute confluence, and 5 minute breakup structure, a 5 minute confluences, then look for a 1 minute, confluences, then get in to the south side, to the all the way to these two order blocks. But if this goes through it and touches this fair value gap right over here, and which is this one, you could possibly go touch a 4 hour fair value gap, but we already on it. We are already on a 4 hour fair value gap, but we gotta see how it goes. Boom, right here. We don't gotta mark out that 1 hour because it's too small of a time frame. It's gonna mess up my thing. So yep. So that's what I'm looking for today. I basically want gold with his end bullish go here, accumulate, give me some confluence as they go back to the upside to like right here. Then for this, the downside, I'm mainly bearish, so get the confluence down here to get down here, all the way down here. Or if this gets respected, go over here, accumulate, then go to the upside to all the way here. But it looks like it's just gonna go here, then go back up. For DXY, sweep out these lows and go back up to these lows, all the way to touching this huge accumulation area, possibly touching this 4 hour fair value. I mean, I think the hourly fair value gap, then going back down, you know what I'm saying? Or accumulating. There's my 5/13/2024 market daily buys, and my main focus for today is not FOMO and be patient, be confident, be feared, be emotions, and not be greedy. And only set 20 to take profit, which is these two right here. And the other thing is that I will use higher time from higher power. I will use my brain, right? Like if I get a reversal trade, I'll probably take that. Like if I get enough confluence, if I see a trade setup. And the other thing is that I gotta sit on myself, not to other people. And one more thing that was in my mind is I have to build up more confidence before getting guess one fair gap is not it, and I have to let the fair value gap order block get deeper fill into the order block or fair value gap. That's what I got for today. Thank you for watching. That is the 5/13/2024 market daily buys.